Let's get it. Hey man, what you cooking? Burning oil? Burning water? What do you mean burning everything? That's not normal. What color is the smoke? Oh, it's semi-white. Boy, is that steam? You just started it? Ooh, man, it don't smell healthy.
No, I just started.
Oh, you just started. Hey, it's a Nissan, y'all. Hey, what they get? Hey, y'all hear that? They went from a Nissan to a Chrysler Pacifica. I love it. What a wise person.
Yeah. This one might not need a transmission.
Oh, stop. What's under here?
Those two songs I get need transmission.
Ooh, man. Because they CVT.
Yep.
We use the CVT too, so don't be so. No, not on a van. I want to see this key, guys. See what we're working with. Ladies and gentlemen, this is.
Hey, we don't really use CVTs anymore.
Oh, this is a Jeep. What a key?
Oh, I just brought that up.
Oh, it's in the. No, it's push start. Hey, man. According to the key, ladies and gentlemen, this is. Oh, they got it covered up. Oh well. Well, y'all see that center. All you Nissan people, y'all recognize that center panel. Now, from my understanding, they traded this in and got the luxurious Chrysler Pacifica. Y'all know Dodge Chrysler is the king of minivans, right? Yeah, we got all the awards for best everything in the minivan department. We stand alone on top of the minivan awards. Alright, so this person traded in this Nissan and got a Pacifica. Here's another trade in. Let's see. Somebody traded in a Jeep, 2017 Jeep. Maybe they got a Scat Pack. I don't know. But same amount of room, guys. Nothing really to run home about. But and my buddy was saying most of these Nissans have equipped with the CVT transmission. That's giving a image, giving the brand a bad image, guys. That's why I say, man, these car makers need to think really hard about what products they use. Okay, because if it's too bad, you can damage the image, guys. Some of Dodge products are still taking a beating from that first generation Pentastar engine. Oh, that is bad. That's not good. But yeah, this is a V6. That's the same engine we have in the Pacifica. It's a V6, but it's a Gen 3. All the Pacificas have the Gen 3 Pentastar engine. What you about to do? Scan it?
What?
Oh, ooh, man. Generic scan too. Oh, so y'all scan them all, right?
Yeah, everything.
Even if ain't no check engine light on?
Wait, this one don't have any check engine light.
So why are you scanning it then?
See what it does have.
Oh, it could be.
It has storage codes.
Is that an oxtail? Everybody bragging on the oxtail.
Nah, this is Apollo.
I don't know
Kurt
what
bought
that
this
is.
like 5 years ago.
It works. That's all that matters.
As long as you get it updated.
All right.
It's like $1,000 to update every year.
Dang!
It's a lot more than like $8,000.
Uh-oh, I see a tire light on.
Winter.
Need to put winter air in it. Take the summer air out of it. Stop it. Alright, we clown around from time to time, guys, so I gotta be careful with my jokes because some people be taking me serious. That's not good. So we'll see what happens here, guys. You know they're gonna put it up in the air, look it over, check the brakes. They always big on brakes. Now, is this a CVT? I don't know. I won't know until you uncover it. So I have to wait and see. We'll find out. Stay tuned. Holy crap. That's probably one of the worst ones I've seen. Let me see something. Man, you're supposed to keep these rockers together. What if the adjuster want to come out and see the bad rocker?
So far, they don't adjust it. What did I put that?
This it right there.
Oh,
Huh?
there it is, yeah.
All right, let's go this. Whoa, hey, y'all, this was in that box yesterday, guys. This is a new stick shift for that Challenger. All right, now, you know what's weird about this? Yeah, it's going on the LX like a Challenger. Most of the Challengers with the Hellcats and things like that, a lot of them use a manual transmission. I took a course on this transmission, guys. I haven't been in one since the class. You know, it's training center. We take them apart, talk about everything inside, and we put everything back together. But it's nothing like real world repairing. Okay, but I guess I'll never know how to repair one simply because I likely when I get a chance to go in it at the shop. So thank goodness I got some training on it. It's the basic understanding of manual transmission is fairly simple, and you know what's weird? They doing away with it, guys. Not a lot of cars out there with sticks anymore. I'm knocking myself in the head right now for not exposing my kids to vehicles that include manual transmission. I want them to know how to drive a stick. They did not have that luxury. They have never been exposed to driving cars with manual transmission. I feel bad, ladies and gentlemen. All right, I really do. I want my daughters to, when they grow up, tell their kids, yeah, my dad taught me how to drive a manual transmission. Now I am proud of the fact that I got my I was able to teach my daughter how to change a flat tire. In fact, watch this video right here. Well, she pulled it off. I coached her through it. Just in the event she have to do it. It's all on an emergency standby basic, guys. So yeah, there's some young guys out there that don't know how to drive sticks. I'm hoping their father just didn't get a chance to teach them, because had I had a son, you can't even rent cars with sticks in them no more. Dude, man, you already putting it back together? God. That's a minute ago. It was the heads over here. Yeah. What was it, about an hour, a couple hours ago, the heads were sitting right here. The heads have been cleaned up. Camshaft has been installed. Here's an old one. Heads have been installed. Torque the specs. Intake going on. I don't know. Projector, I guess you're gonna fire it up before you go home.
Back in place,
Baby. Back in place. No more ticking. You can lower a couple more inches if you remove the tires.
See, we have to work on it.
So, I'll soon be fired up in a minute. We'll see. Oh, God.